Hey, Cian, can you put me down now, please?
Sure.
Oh, how come you're so strong anyway?
'Cause I've got big muscles. Wow, so do you.
Actually, this isn't real. But hey, why don't we do a dance about muscles? For real?
Yeah, but I don't know much about them. Do you?
Nope.
I bet Auntie B does. I'll go and ask her.
Muscles! Everybody has muscles, but some people have bigger muscles than other people, so that probably means they're stronger than other people. But that doesn't matter because everybody has muscles.
I have muscles in my arms. These are my muscles. These are my muscles. Muscles are important because you can be strong with them.
Muscles are really important because you can lift heavy things.
My muscles give me power and my muscles make me strong. For throwing things. I use my muscles when I do gymnastics.
Without my muscles, I wouldn't be able to play football or soccer.
What do you call a vegetable that does weightlifting? I don't know. A muscle sprout.
If I eat healthy food, my muscles will get stronger and bigger.
Muscles are very important. You use them when you dab.
The Body Brothers!
Auntie B, I need to know about muscles.
Catch. Well done, that's 20.
Sorry?
You used 20 muscles to catch that apple.
Thanks, 20 muscles.
And you're using 10 to bite it and chew it.
We have muscles in our face? I had no idea. What are muscles anyway?
Oh, well, muscles are stretchy parts inside you that help your body move, and most of them are connected to bones. Look at Mr. Skelly over there. He's missing his muscles and he's not going anywhere, is he?
I wish I could look inside me and see my muscles.
Well, leave it to me. I'm Auntie B.
Wow, look at all those muscles. There are so many.
There sure are. There's your pectoral muscles there in your chest, and there's your abdominal muscles in your tummy. Hey, I think it's time for a brilliant body fact.
Brilliant Body Fact! Yeah!
Did you know you've about 650 muscles in your body, and 2 of the strongest you sit on every day? They're your bum muscles, or to give them their official name, your gluteus maximus.
Brilliant Body Fact! Yeah!
So, how do muscles help me move, Auntie B?
Well, lots of them work in twos, and I've got something here to show you how. These strings work like your muscles. See how when I pull this string, the arm bends up?
And when you pull that string, the arm straightens again.
The same thing happens in your arm. This muscle, called the bicep, pulls it up, and this muscle, called the tricep, pulls it back down again.
Bicep, tricep. I get it. Thanks, Auntie B. Okay, I better get back to Cormac and do some more practice for our muscle dance.
Cian, don't you think you should change back into your own clothes first?